Today's day 23 and there's 3 days left until Christmas. Today I'm making hot cocoa dip. First I'm going to add 1 cup of whipped cream cheese into a bowl. Next I'm going to add a half a cup of marshmallow fluff. Then I'm going to add 3 packs of hot chocolate mix. Next I'm going to mix that up until everything is combined. Then I'm going to add half a container of whipped topping and fold that in. Next I'm going to add the dip into a container and then top it with mini chocolate chips and marshmallows. Next I'm going to make a tray of dippers with pretzels, strawberries, Snowman, sugar cookies, and chocolate Teddy Grahams. Here's an up-close look of the hot cocoa dip.